Welcome to Herbal Home Remedies. Please like, share, and subscribe.
How to get thicker eyelashes naturally. Do you wish you had thicker eyelashes? Worried that your eyelashes are not growing enough? You are not alone. Many people wish they had thicker eyelashes to make their eyes more beautiful. There are many reasons for thin eyelashes, like age, certain medical problems, missing nutrients, an eye infection, or hormonal changes in the body. Other reasons are rubbing your eyes roughly and not taking your eye makeup off at the end of the day, which can lead to the delicate hairs of your lashes falling out. The first thing to do when you're trying to make your eyelashes healthier is to take proper care of them. There are also some simple ways to help your eyelashes grow. Remember that cures won't work the same for different people. It may take a few weeks or a few months for the cure to work. Also, you may have to try more than one before you find the cure that is right for you. 1. Castor oil. Castor oil helps eyelashes grow and can also fight bacteria that stop them from growing. Take a clean brush or cotton swab and put castor oil on your eyelashes before going to bed. You can add some vitamin E oil to the castor oil before putting it on. Leave the oil on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. You can also mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Put it on your eyelashes using a cotton swab. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. Try either of these cures every day for 2 to 3 months. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil can nourish your eyelashes and make them grow thicker. It also helps keep the eyelashes dark. Here's how. 1. Dip a clean, old mascara stick or cotton swab in warm olive oil. 2. Before you go to bed, put the oil on your lashes, like you would put on mascara. 3. Leave the oil on overnight and rinse it off in the morning with lukewarm water. Do this every day for a few months until you're happy with the way your eyelashes look. 3. Aloe vera. A great way to grow your eyelashes is using aloe vera because it has a lot of vitamins and nutrients. It will also help keep your eyelashes moist. Before bed, put fresh aloe vera gel on your eyelashes with a clean mascara stick. Leave the gel on overnight and rinse it off in the morning with warm water. Or mix together 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, and 1 teaspoon of chamomile infusion. Put this mixture on your eyelashes 2 times a day with a clean old mascara stick. Leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it off with warm water. Follow either cure every day for a few months for it to work. Note: make sure to remove latex by washing the aloe vera gel very well before use. 4. Egg. Because eggs have a lot of protein, they are very good for growing thicker eyelashes. They also have vitamins that help the feel of your eyelashes. 1. Beat 1 egg and 1 tablespoon glycerin into a thick, creamy mixture. 2. Put it on your eyelashes using a cotton swab. 3. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. 4. Do this 3 times a week for a few months. 5. Green tea. Green tea has a lot of flavonoids that can help your eyelashes grow thicker and longer. 1. Make a cup of unsweetened green tea and let it cool. 2. Use a cotton tip to put the green tea on your lashes from the roots to the tips. 3. Let it sit for 15 minutes and wash it out with cool water. 4. Do this 2 times a day for 2 to 3 months. Note: make sure the green tea does not get in your eyes. 6. Coconut milk. Coconut milk has a lot of protein and fats that make thicker, longer eyelashes. It also gives your eyelashes a beautiful shine. 1. Dip a cotton swab in coconut milk and put it on your eyelashes. 2. Let it sit for 10 minutes and wash it off. 3. Do this 1 or 2 times a day for a few months until you get the look you want. When trying any of these cures, make sure to be very gentle. Don't pull out eyelashes when you're putting makeup on or taking it off. Make sure to have the right vitamins and nutrients so your eyelashes can grow nicely. You can take a multivitamin supplement, but make sure to ask a doctor before you do to find out what type and amount. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.